Hi, I'm Angela with ICI Homes at Woodhaven, located in one of the most desirable areas in Port Orange, Florida. Woodhaven is one of ICI Homes' newest gated communities, which features 1- and 2-story luxury villas. Our Arbor Villa is 1,562 living square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, an office, and a 2-car garage. Our Arbor Villa features 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors. This home has a very large kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, under-cabinet lighting, tile backsplash, cabinet pull-outs, and an undermount stainless sink. This home also features a handicap-accessible master bathroom, a sliding glass door which leads out to the screen-covered lanai, and paver driveway and walkway. Our luxury villas at Woodhaven offer a low monthly HOA, which includes access to our amenity center and exterior maintenance, including roof, paint, gutters, and sprinklers, as well as all of your lawn maintenance and landscaping. Buying a brand new energy efficient home can save you hundreds in yearly energy costs. ICI Homes is a family-owned company that has been in business for 40 years and has consistently ranked in the nation's top 100 builders by Builders Magazine. We are available 7 days a week, so give us a call today and we will be happy to help you.